Oh, hi. Welcome back to our Vegan as Fork channel.
Hello.
It's Veganuary day
10.
Okay. Sounds good. Today in real time was Ladies' Day.
Yes.
When we do our weekly shopping for through the week.
Mm-hmm.
And the three witches, myself, Maddie, and her sister go shopping.
Yes.
Okay, so Maddie said, "Oh, I wish I had told you, Mother, to get me goddess dressing when you went to Trader Joe's because I love it so."
Yeah, it's so good.
So we went looking for goddess dressing today.
At Target.
Yeah. And Target had a very expensive one, like the Primal Kitchen one. It's like $6. So she's like, I don't like that.
No.
I'm on a budget.
That's a little rich for my tastes.
Every time I go shopping with my husband and we get to the dressing aisle, I'm like, slow down, husband. I need to look at the dressings. And he's like, stop. You make the best dressing that I've ever had.
No, you really do, though.
Thank you. Why do you want to buy this with garbage in it when you put the best ingredients in and it tastes the best?
I mean, he makes a good point.
Right. But he says that about the ranch one that I make. But this one's good too. The ranch one is my favorite, but Maddie's favorite is the goddess dressing.
Goddess dressing.
So we're going to make it today. It's super simple. It's only about 6 or 7 ingredients.
They're right
all
here.
Of which you probably already have, maybe with the exception of tahini. But this is available everywhere now. When I first went vegan, and I think I needed tahini to make vegan seitan ribs, it was hard to find the vegan. All of tahini is vegan. It was hard to find the tahini to make the vegan recipe. And the only one they had available was in a can. And it tasted so metallic. It was just terrible.
That just ruins the whole thing.
Exactly. So I shied away from tahini for a while. And then they started carrying this one. The Organic Mighty Sesame tahini. And I was just got it out of the cabinet. And I don't think it will show up. But when tahini gets cold, it gets hard. Like coconut oil. It doesn't want to move, but woo, look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like...
No, we can't really see it.
It's liquidy now again, so we're going to do the dressing in this cup. We're just going to put everything in here and shake it up. And I have a special dressing top that I got from Amazon that snaps closed.
Snazzy.
I know. You can use it for dressing. You can use it for gravy. You can use it for yellow sauce. So this has been sitting in some hot water, so it's nice and liquidy now. Which is important to remember for later on, because this needs to be kept in the refrigerator. So guess what? Every time you take it out, it's going to be thick. So if you need to thin it out with some water, don't feel bad about doing it, because that's the only way it's ever going to come out. So the nice thing about doing it in a measuring cup like this is a measuring cup. So we don't have to dirty a measuring cup. So we're just going to squirt in half a cup of the tahini. I don't want it to fart.
Did you get the relaxed bottle?
I didn't. They didn't have it. They don't have it yet. So let me do... Oh, it kind of farted a little bit.
It farted a lot.
Oh, you know what? It's still kind of thick in there. I'm just going to let this sit like this while I do the rest of the ingredients, and then we'll try and scrape the rest out. But I think there's just about half a cup in there. Okay, so I got my my little board at Target today.
You can screenshot. You can also look in our info box to see the ingredients.
So we need 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And baby, this is the one with the mother.
Oh.
Nobody messes with the mother. If you don't know what the mother is, it's the bacteria that you see at the bottom that helps it to ferment. This is what's left over after the sugar ferments out. The mother. And the mother gives birth to more. You know, I guess that's why they call it the mother. Cause
keeps it going.
Keeps it going. So like when you make kombucha, you have your SCOBY, which is basically the mother. So you put it in your fresh batch, and the mother gives birth to a whole nother batch of kombucha. All right, so this measuring thing is 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to do another half. It's probably just another boop. Okay. Right?
Mm-hmm.
We got some EVOO, baby. My mother's favorite thing in the world. She used to drink this stuff.
Yeah, she did.
She lived to almost 93, so
Mm-hmm.
it must have been
Did
some
something.
science behind that. So we need 2 tablespoons of the EVOO overflowing. Just like the cake in MacArthur's Park.
I was just listening to that song last night, and I was gonna look up what like a MacArthur Park themed cake would look like.
What,
if you
it was
follow
green,
like the
wasn't
description,
it?
yeah, the green icing
Yeah.
flowing down. I need to look it up because I'm sure somebody's made it.
We need to make it.
I
Like,
was
for our
thinking maybe for our birthdays.
birthdays.
I seriously was thinking that last night.
Let's
That's
do
so
it.
funny.
All right, we're going to need 2 lemon juice. And this is beautiful organic lemon juice from Italia.
Oh, Italia.
It's from like...
Italia.
Yeah. I believe it's from like Vesuvius.
Oh, okay.
Or something. Because they grow the best lemons over there because of that volcanic rock.
Yes.
It's a fact.
We heard that on the Stanley Tucci show a while back.
Oh, but I heard that in life too.
Well, that too.
Yeah. All right. So then we also need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So what does that tell you? We're not going to have to add salt because it's already in
in there.
Now this is Tamari because it's gluten-free.
Wonderful.
So in effect, this whole recipe is gluten-free as well.
Love to see it.
Exactly. For our gluten-free friends,
Mm-hmm.
including me most of the time.
Yes.
All right, then we're also going to put in 2 teaspoons of parsley. I'm not going to measure it.
She's going for it.
I'm guesstimating. I'm going to do 1 more. Just because I really like parsley, too.
Okay.
And then, final ingredient. Look, we're almost done. I got some organic granulated garlic.
Ooh.
Because garlic makes everything better, except for possibly ice cream.
I've had garlic ice cream.
Was it good?
It was.
Okay, well then I guess it does make everything better.
I had it at the Garlic Fest.
Oh, yes. Oh,
Wonderful.
smell it. All right, so let's, off camera, get the rest of this out.
Okay.
'Cause we don't need this thing farting all over the place.
All right, we'll be right back. Shake it up, the cars.
Cars. So I got it all out by putting a little bit of hot water in there because I figured that I'm probably going to have to add water eventually anyway.
Mm-hmm.
So then...
Yeah, because that tahini gets thick again after you put that back in the fridge.
Right. So I still had to scrape the bottom out. There was a couple of duties on the bottom. So, so we're just going to shake this up like crazy, the cars.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to get some carrot sticks and we're going to try it. All right, we're ready. So I shook it up.
The cars.
Yeah. I'm going to release it. Oh.
Oh. The tiniest little bowl here.
I know. Oh, it's so thick already.
It is thick.
Mmm.
Even when we buy a goddess dressing at the store, I find myself having to put water in it just because it's so
It's so thick. Let's do the math. We added it up. And, dude, you're getting a delicious.
Wow.
It is so thick and creamy.
Can you imagine you did that and you spelled delicious wrong?
I know.
But you didn't. You spelled it right.
All right, let me try one. Oh, so nice. Mmm.
What do we think?
Super creamy, super good. Would be perfect for falafel.
Mmm. Very nice.
Dipping veggies. Salad. On a baked potato. Potato
I
salad.
feel like even on like a sandwich or something.
Yes. Let's see what Maddie thinks. All right, let's see what you think, Witch Undertones.
I was going to say, I'm going to stay on this side with the witch lighting. I was editing my What I Ate Today video the other day. I was like, oh my god, the lighting in my apartment is terrible.
You didn't have a ring light. What can I say?
I know, right? Or any.
Yeah.
Well, it smells very nice. It smells just like the store, or maybe even better.
Yes, and it's very fresh and fluffy.
Mm.
Right?
Yep.
That would be so good on baked potato right now.
Yeah. You know what I love about a tahini-based dressing?
What?
The texture.
Yes. It's very creamy.
Mm-hmm.
You don't, it's like, am I eating dairy?
Yeah.
And that's wonderful.
Also, that parsley.
Yeah.
That's a nice touch in there.
Yeah. You don't usually get that in a store dressing.
No, they don't have that in the store one.
No.
I like that a lot.
No, we don't drink from the hose, do we?
Nope. Very, very good.
All right. Well, I hope you enjoy it.
Oh, you know I will.
You're taking it home with you.
Ah!
Yes.
Oprah!
That's right. You're getting a tahini.
Thank you. You didn't have to do that.
I have one.
But I'll take it. So thank you all so much for watching. Let us know what your favorite dressing is. Let us know if you've tried this. Let us know. And we'll see you tomorrow.
I tried it.
We tried it. We liked it, even though we didn't get a t-shirt. So
yeah.
Thank you all so much. And until next time, much love.